does get started by installing the VMware, which is a virtual machine, but will let you run a different operating system or the same one, it don't matter, on your current operating system that you have on your computer. There's a lot of virtual machines out there, but today I'm going to be using VMware. Alright, I'm going to pause this and let it run. I'll be back in just a few. Alright, that's all done. What you want to do is hit license, and the license that's in the text, the zip file, you can copy one of them and post it on here. Hit enter. Should be done. Finished. Alright, what we're going to do, we're going to open up VMware. Should right there. And we're going to set up our virtual machine. I'm going to create a new machine. Go to the first one. What you're going to do is, if you're going to do it on a different hard drive, which I'm going to do, you want to do the operating system later. But if you want to do it on the same hard drive as you're running right now, then just install the install disk. What you want to do is browse that out and find it. And see, I have mine on my desktop. But see, I'm going to do mine on a separate hard drive, completely different hard drive. So what I'm going to do is Linux, Ubuntu 64, next. You see my location is set for C, but what I'm going to do it differently and put it on my D drive. Okay, do next. I want to do maximum. This is how much space you want to put on a virtual machine to use. What do I have? $465. Alright. Put them on separate files. Okay. So I want to change up you want to change up the specs on your virtual machine. Depends on how much memory you have is what you want to do. I do a half of mine. I have 4 gigabytes, so I'm gonna put 2 gigabytes. My processor, I want 2 on processors. this right here you need to change to the ISO, your ISL file that you have. You're gonna be downloading. That's what you would put in to begin with if you was doing it on the same hard drive, but you got to put it in separate right here if you're doing it on a completely different hard drive. And that should be it. So what we want to do, we want to run it. Go ahead, exit all this. Once you click the screen, your mouse will disappear within the virtual machine. But what you want to do, if you want to scroll off this virtual machine onto your other screen, then you can just hit Alt and Control, and it'll give your mouse privileges back. It should take a while, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pause it until it starts the installation process. I shall be back. Alright, so what you want to do, your properties ain't set up right. It's just showing you a small screen. Within the installation process, there'll be some buttons here on the side that you can't see. So how I do this, how about try Ubuntu? Alright, when you prompt to this screen, hit the setting button. Go to your display and change your display. Hit this button right here, it applies it. Keep the configurations. Exit it. Now, double click installation. So what you want to do is just set it up best for you. You know, English, your keyboard settings, everything. You don't have to click these two if you don't want to. I do it just so it can give you all the newer updated interfaces and everything. So what you want to do is click the first one and install now. Hit continue. your region of where you live at, right there. Then after that, after you hit continue, it's gonna start installation. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pause the video and I'll see you back whenever you get done installing. Hit continue there. Alright, whenever the installation is done, it'll prompt you with this screen. Just hit restart and it'll restart your virtual machine. Hit enter on that one. What that would do is take the ISO, the Ubuntu ISO out, so it won't run the installation. Alright, now we're done with that installation process. What I want to do like this right here, I don't need, so I'll unlock this. Just give us a little more room on the side. So what you want to do, you open terminal. See, on this terminal right now, it'll just do as a regular user. And most people, whenever they start the terminal, they have to use sudo. So what I do is I go to profiles. And under the command tab, I run the command sudo -s, and that closes. Make sure it went in. I don't think it did. Okay, yeah, it did. Here, let me change the display on it because it went back to regular display. Alright, so I'm going to open terminal again. And it'll ask you for your password, the one you put in whenever you was doing the installation. So now it's giving you root access, so you don't have to push sudo in any commands anymore. So now what you want to do is apt-get update. Oh fuck. enter. Now it's what it's doing is updating your source list. Okay, it updated. So now you want to do apt get upgrade. Now it's going to upgrade everything. This one right here will take a while. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video and then I'll come back whenever it's done. Once everything's updated and upgraded, what you want to do is type in apt -get install python pyqurl space python -go IP. Hit enter. Start updating and installing it into your computer. Alright, when it's all updated and installed, what you want to do is, okay, now what else you want to install is apt-get install python pip y for yes. Alright, now you want to put pip install request. Okay, so now you're done with all that. So now what you want to do is cd desktop slash ufonet. Put you in the directory now. You hit /ufonet. So now you're in the botnet itself. And to get more acquainted with ufonet, you can hit /ufonet space hyphen help, and it gives you all the commands you can put. So what you want to do is you want to download zombies, which you, instead of typing everything out, you can just copy this right here and type /ufonet space and then paste and enter. So it's saying I have 1,791 zombies online. Yes, I want to merge my troops. Okay, now to commence the DDoS attack, what you have to type in is format space negative A and then your website. And now what it's going to do is start DDoSing that attack. You want to hit yes. It's collecting all this information, and then later on it'll start attacking. Just to remember, this was a video for educational purposes only. I'm going to give out shout out to my boys, Fluffernutter and MD. If you want more game trainers, videos, or tutorials, let me know. You can hit me up at cyberterminators.co.